Alright, so another video that I gotta get done, but mainly the only stuff that I have to do right now, because I'm pretty much in a place where I'm not sure what I really want to get done at this point. But the transmission I just took outside because I gotta start cleaning that up to be able to paint that to match the block. And then what's next, probably this video, I'm gonna get set up for like laying out all the parts. I got another table here. I'm gonna clean up this table and I'm gonna lay out everything ready for assembly. That's all I want to get to today, and really just get that out of the way, you know. But let's get back to me what's it called, cleaning this transmission. Soap and degreaser, spray it down, let it sit for a little bit. Not trying to get in the holes, even though I will be opening this up. I'm just trying to paint the transmission casing before I open it, 'cause I feel like it'll be easier. I won't have to tape off as much, right? So transmission's all washed up, so I'm just gonna start taking out all the bolts and cleaning up all the bolt contact areas, and then masking off everything I need to mask off. And then probably maybe today or tomorrow, whichever time you guys see it in the video, get to painting it. Alright, I ended up taking it apart, so this casing comes all the way off. I'm not gonna take it off right now just because I just got to smell out. But all the hardware is here, bolts off of that. I'm gonna get them into the sandblaster and clean them up and then paint the bolts. I don't know if I showed, but I did these bolts. So these are painted, sprayed, clear coated. And then these I cleaned. Came out all right. I don't know if you guys can see. Same with those. So these bolts, I just cleaned them up. Wire brush, toothbrush, whatever, degreaser. Those are painted. These are also sandblasted and painted. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the transmission bolts, clean them up, and I'm gonna get to doing the casing. But right now I'm just thinking like in this area to set up stuff. This is the block, obviously, so this is my extra table. I'm gonna turn this probably this way. See how wide this table goes out. Yep. And then, yeah, like that. I'm gonna start laying stuff out. So, seeing how it's like this, I'm pretty confident that I could probably get away with just, yeah, putting stuff where I need to put it. Right? So I'm pretty sure everything can get left like this, ready to get set up and assembled into the car. What are you doing? Hey, close your mouth. What? Go eat your food, man. Go sit down and go eat. Go sit down and go eat. Pick a spot, not back and forth, eh? Don't touch. I also see, I got all these bolts to clean up, so I'm probably gonna get to that also. Just clean up these bolts, wiping them down, because they're fairly clean already. Obviously, I just see that they need a small amount of cleaning, so I gotta do that along with cleaning these bolts. I probably won't do it all on camera, but I'll obviously show you the end result. And sandblast that, sandblast the top of these. Those I'm just gonna wipe down. And yeah, just continue prepping, getting ready to get this thing together. Kind of lacking, but I finally got to painting the transmission housing. Just took it apart and everything. Quick little thing. I cleaned it up as much as I felt necessary. I think it came out pretty decent like the rest of the stuff. Just painted on the corner of my trailer because my trailer is gonna get blasted and painted soon enough, so didn't really care. I'm just gonna clean up the surface here because I didn't tape it off because I already had it cracked open because the gears and stuff I was taking out, so I could put the LSD in. Pretty much, I'm about to finish up. Turn the heater off. I'm about to finish off and do the transfer case. And then any other day I can do the shift selector and do the bolts maybe tomorrow or something. We'll see. I mean, I might get to it right now. Just poke up the air compressor, do that, and go. So, casing's all painted. Just gotta take off the masking stuff. I'll probably do that slowly and whatnot, you know. I did have it all cracked here, so whatever got over, I'll probably just clean it off, wire wheel, and set it up, you know what I'm saying? Also, I did the transfer case. Let me go grab that, that's still outside. I did end up painting the transfer case like I was saying. A little bit of masking, take it off here though now. You might call me a thought. You like me a lot, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, you see that there? And again, this came out nice too, you know. So I'm putting a little bit of loving in here. TLC into everything. So everything just goes together nicely. Probably take this and put it to the side now because these bolts I got attacked. Speaking of bolts, I did start sandblasting the casing bolts. Probably just gonna throw those in black. So when they're all clean and sorted out, you guys will see those. That's pretty much everything that I had to paint and dress up towards getting this assembled. Now that I got that done, I'm hoping we got plans and a schedule to get everything put together and mocked up, and then I can get the motor in the car for the most part. Right, so yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. I'm trying to keep y'all updated as much as possible. Yo, like, comment, subscribe. I've been getting some pretty amazing messages on people appreciating what I've been doing to the car. I'm not building a show car or anything like that, but a lot of people think it's coming off like that, and I appreciate it. I appreciate it, man. And, you know, I never meant to really go into depth with like trying to make everything so pretty, but it's just I was there, so I got it done. But I appreciate everybody reaching out to me and showing me love on the car, man. I hope to be able to show it soon enough. So please, yo, like, comment, subscribe. Yo, follow me on Instagram, man. I'm gonna try and, after everything's said and done, try and keep it like 100%, like always active on feeds, right? So appreciate y'all, yo. All right. So I got the bolts cleaned up and got the tranny looking nice, and I almost forgot to even show it in this video. But my little baby right here reminded me, right? So
Go puppies.
the puppies? Okay, go see the puppies. Go see the puppies. I'll take one out after. So yeah, got the bolts cleaned up on it. Everything's looking nice, looking right. Transmission looking decent. Y'all see it? Not mad at all right there. Everything cleaned up exactly how I thought it was gonna come out. You know what I'm saying? Enamel paint, high heat clear. I might buy another bottle of the high heat clear and maybe go over it. That's just me being paranoid though, but I might maybe later. But I'm loving how the tranny came out. Transmission pause, and yeah. Y'all see what I'm working with? So when that twin disc is working with this, it should be nice also with the LSD. So, you know, everything cleaned up beautifully. Not even gonna complain. The only thing I gotta clean up right now is the shift selector right there.